you can go get assets and then turn your assets into cash flowing assets. That's how you're able to escape the rat race. That's how you're able to stop trading your time for money. You have to have something generating you revenue that is not yourself. You get what I'm saying? Right now, you're credit to your company. I'm pretty sure when you started that job, what'd you have? You had a paycheck in the hole. You had to wait. Yeah, we don't get paid till 2 weeks because they're holding the check. That's credit. You worked your ass off at the 9 to 5, but you're not getting paid until 2 weeks later. And then they're gonna roll. Then they owe you one at the end. You're credit to them. Why don't you create things with your credit score just how they did you? Their credit score is good. You heard about that job. They're a great job and all this. So you base their credit on applying to go work there, right? To go acquire that job. So they did the same thing to you that you could just do for yourself. So that's what I really want to hit on. I really want to kind of open your mindset on how important having assets is. Like, you have to have assets. At least it doesn't matter if you want to scale it and turn it into 6 figures, 7 figures and things like that. Just get some revenue coming in off of, liabilities or assets. I don't call them a liability if I'm making money off of them. It's not my liability. If I have the car rented out every single day, I didn't pay for the liability. I didn't pay for the depreciation. I didn't pay for the interest. I didn't pay for anything because I've put somebody else in the seat and they're paying me to use the car. So I just wanted to come on here and talk to you guys about that, stress the importance of why having assets is important and how you're able to have those assets for free because you're no longer paying for them. Real estate's the same exact way. You buy a house because you got the credit score to buy it, right? You put a renter in that house, cash flow the rest of the money. That's a free house because you're not paying for it. So, my bad. They got some yard work going on over here. Yeah. So my bad. Where was I at? Damn, I lost it. But I think I was talking about, like real estate or anything else. Like, just don't get attached to everything so personally because you can run the same play in every single market. I can buy a house in Louisiana, have it, rent it out, put some rehab into it, rent it out for more than it's worth, right? More than what I pay. And I've won. Now that's a free home. I can move to another state, do the same exact thing. Go to another state, do the exact same thing. That's how you start building your real estate portfolio up. Don't get personally attached to this everything. Live life, go travel, go to different places. If you got a house in Florida, a house in North Carolina, a house in Louisiana, a house in California, go to those are yours and you own them. So go to them. Stay at those places. Stay there for a year or so. Everything else is generating you revenue. So yeah. Just have your mind open on that. Don't slack on the importance of credit and gaining credit knowledge. Don't slack on learning how to leverage your credit to make you money. Don't slack on having some business funding behind your business so that it doesn't fail. You can have an exit if it doesn't work out. And don't slack on Turo. There's a lot of money on the Turo platform. And if you have any questions about anything that we discussed in this video, drop the comments below. I'll be sure to respond back and get those questions answered. Like, subscribe to this channel, share it, send it to somebody that you care about that needs this knowledge, and let's continue to build wealth for years to come.